Camera beto, video?
Video po.
Ah, video. Sige, now, Jason's looking.
Okay, magsalita.
Yes, it's the strongest storm we've ever experienced, and
Tunay.
it's a major typhoon right now. It's called Typhoon Onyo, and it's flooding our house. There, this is how high the floods are in our street, and practically every part of Metro Manila.
Pindutin ko, wag kong,
Record ko.
ayan, flash na flash ang red. I-measure mo yung taas. Show it to them na.
Oh, yeah.
So freaking annoying. Stupid weather. Oh man, this is just swell. This is just nice. Oh wow, wet carpet. Yeah, this is the den. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's all wet. I love living in a tropical country. Yeah. Now I know what Jagam's friend went through. Oh, are you alright, Django? Django. Oh. Damn it. Flooded kitchen. Yeah. We're looting fried lumpia. Yeah. Yes. Fried lumpia.
Oh, gagalaw matapos pumunta yan.
Yeah, fried lumpia.
Pagka nilagay ko rito, ano yan, Pinoy tube?
Yeah, Pinoy tube. Yeah.
Yeah, makikita ni Christine kagad yan. Kasi sa bagyo niya yun. Ewan ko nga lang kung hangin lang yung susunod.
Sa Botolan, palagay ko. Tanga yung mga bahay mo. Kawawa naman. At tayo mamaya,
In 1 hour, no? Sabi sa inyo,
Hindi tuloy.
sa susunod, preparado na tayo. Alam ko na gagawin.
Yung paligid niya, tinaasan. Eh siya sa akin, wala. Safety lang. Eh alam mo, mayaman lang.